What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Smart Online Payday YouTube channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you a brand new traffic method to go and use and start promoting your affiliate offers on Digistore24, and you can go and make your first sale very fast as soon as today. So I'm going to show you guys this huge traffic source that's getting up to 35 million visitors every single month. And many affiliates do not know about this traffic source. I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here, as it gets most of the traffic from top tier countries like United Kingdom and United States. So what I'm going to show you guys in this video, all you're going to do is you're going to pay very close attention. You're going to watch step by step to the end. Follow the steps I'm going to show you guys in this video, and you're going to take action on the method. You can go and make your first sale very fast on Digistore24 on complete autopilot. I'm going to show you guys how to go and choose the best affiliate offer that's going to convert very well with this free traffic source, and exactly how to go and implement it to go and get highest amount of free traffic and make money on Digistore24 starting as soon as today. So the method I'm going to show you guys in this video, you can go and make your first $4,000 plus on Digistore24, because it's a huge traffic source that many people are not exploiting, and I'm going to show you how to go and do this step by step. I'm going to show you guys the huge free traffic method, and you don't need any website at all to go and get started with this method and start getting some sales with free traffic. So it's a very simple strategy, and it's also newbie friendly, so anybody can go and do this and promote affiliate offers on ClickBank, JVZoo, and even Warrior Plus with this exact method right here. I can go and do this from anywhere around the world, so there's no excuse for you not to go and take action where I'm going to show you guys in this video, implement it and start getting some free traffic and start making some money, because you can go and get started right today. I can start getting some free traffic starting as soon as today. So be sure to watch step by step to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and properly implement this to go and get free traffic fast and make money fast with this exact method right here. So that's, guys, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the Smart Online Payday YouTube channel, and you're going to get in different time that I post new smart methods that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new methods on how to make money on Digistore24, ClickBank, and some general make money online methods. And most of these methods are all 100% free to go and get started. So if you have any money to go and invest on paid traffic, be sure to watch this particular video step by step to the end and take action on this particular method. So once I make money with the free traffic methods, I recommend that you can go and take that money and invest back on paid traffic methods like Bing ads and YouTube ads. I can go and make a lot more money faster and consistently with the paid traffic methods. So that's, guys, also want to learn my most recommended method to make money online, be sure to click the first link in the description. You can go and get my most recommended method to make money online that many people are using already, and I'm already making their first $100 to $200 plus per day online. So that's, guys, so let's get into this video. Let me show you guys this free traffic method and the exact way that you can go and use and start promoting your affiliate offers and start making some money very fast with this huge traffic method. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys how you can go and make some money very fast on Digistore24 for 100% free using the huge traffic source that's getting up to 35 million plus visitors every single month. I can see most of the traffic is coming from top tier countries like the United Kingdom and the United States. So pay very close attention, watch step by step to the end, and take action on the method. So the first step from here is you're going to go to the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace right here. You're going to choose a high converting offer, an offer that's selling very well, and it's also going to pay you a very high commission per sale. You can see, for example, right here it's sorted by sales rank. You can see right here, so these are the top selling products right now on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. So these are the highest converting offers right here. Because this one is called Medical. It's going to pay you up to $129 per sale, so that's actually very high as well. I can see from here it has a very low refund rate of only at 12%. You can see the card conversion is up to 26%, which means that many people that come to this page end up buying this affiliate offer, and it's a good product to go and promote. I can see right here earnings per visitor. You can see right here it's up to $10, so that's actually very high, because average is mostly at $3 to $5, but you can see this one's up to $10. So this is a very good product that you can go and promote right now, actually make a lot of money, and also has a very low refund rate and has a very high conversion rate. So you can see there's a lot of other affiliate offers on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace that can go and promote as well and still actually make a lot of money. For this example, we're going to choose one affiliate offer, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to go and promote it and make a lot of money very fast on Digistore24, starting right today without investing any money at all and without having any website at all. So let's check out this first offer right here, the medical product. So you want to go and make up to, for example, $1,000 per day, you need only around 8 to 9 sales of this offer to go and make up to $1,000 plus per day, because most of these affiliate offers also have a lot of upsells and you're going to make most of your money as well in the upsells. So for this offer, you're going to earn up to 85% commission on the product. So let's go to the sales page of the offer. I can go and find out a lot more information about promoting this offer from here. You can start here, the simple video sales page, and it helps to convert affiliate offers very easy. So scroll down here, you can see that this offer is actually a physical offer, and physical offers tend to have very low refund rates because the offer is going to be shipped directly to the buyer's premise. So that's one of the main reasons why it has very low refund rates. You can see a lot more information from here. And that's it, guys. We're going to promote this offer right here for this example. But the method I'm going to show you guys in this video, you can go and promote any other affiliate offer right here in any other category from here and start making some easy money very fast. So pay very close attention. So let me show you guys the huge traffic source and the exact method to go and make money very fast with this method right here. So huge traffic source is getting up to 35 million plus visitors every single month that you can go and leverage right now and actually make money very fast. This traffic source is called Gumtree.com, so pay very close attention. This one is called Gumtree.com, and this is a free classified ad website. They can go and promote your offer and actually make a lot of money, and it gets a lot of targeted free traffic. I'm going to show you guys the best free way to go and promote your ad on this website for free, because there's a paid option and there's a free option. I'm going to show you guys the best free option step by step on how to go and do this, and I'm also going to show you examples of Digistore24 affiliates that are using this method or this go and promote their different offers and actually make money, because you can see it's getting a lot of high quality traffic every single day, up to 35 plus million visitors every month. You can see sometimes going up to almost 50 million visitors every single month, and people that come to this website every day are looking for things to go and buy. So they're coming to this website right here to go and buy different stuff right here. So let's go to the website and let me show you guys how to go and do this very easily. So I see most of the traffic is coming from the United Kingdom, up to 95% of all its traffic. So let's go to Gumtree. So this website is called Gumtree.com. All you're going to do, you're going to go to Gumtree.com and you're going to sign up for a free account. So inside here, this is a URL. Once you go to this website, you're going to sign up for a free account and you're going to be able to go and post ads on this website. And I'm going to show you how to go and post ads without actually paying any money on this website. So watch till the end, and also be sure to take action by the end of this video right here. Once you go to Gumtree.com, you can see here many people are posting a lot of ads about a lot of different things. So there are a lot of people that are selling, for example, weight loss supplements, some are selling cars, some are selling iPads. I can go and sell any affiliate offer on this website because people that come to this website are looking for things to go and buy. So let me show you guys examples of other affiliates that are promoting different offers on this free traffic source. So let me show you guys one example. You can see right here, for example, lose weight. You can see right here, a lot of weight loss supplements and a lot of weight loss products that many people are selling on this particular website right here. I can go and sell this as well and start making some money for free, as I'm going to show you the best free method to go and use and start making some money. You can see here, this Metcore. So this offer right here on Digistore24, someone is already selling it on this particular website right here. You can see right here, this person is promoting it on this website. You can see this one as well. Soon is complete. These are Digistore24 affiliate offers that people are selling on this website for free using 100% free traffic. So you can go and do this as well and actually make a lot of money, as I'm going to show you in this video. So all you're going to do, once I've signed up for a free account on this website, you can see here I'm logging into my account. Once I've signed up for a free account on this website, you're going to go right at the top. So pay close attention. You're going to go right at the top and you're going to click on post an ad. So you can start here, post an ad. So click on this, post an ad, and you're going to have an option to go and post an ad from here. So let me show you guys from fresh on how to go and post an ad from here and actually start making some money very fast on Digistore24. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to input the name of your offer from here. So since you are promoting this offer right here, Metcore, so we are promoting this offer Metcore on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, we're going to input the name of this offer right here. So let's go back right here. We're going to input Metcore. So we're going to type Metcore. I can go and promote any other affiliate offer as well on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace with this exact method. So you can see from here, you're going to select a relevant category. You can see these are suggested categories right here. I can go and find a lot more categories from here depending on the affiliate offer you're going to be promoting. So you're going to choose right. You can see it's under for sale, health and beauty. You can see under diet and weight loss. So you're going to input this under diet and weight loss because this is actually a weight loss offer. So you're going to click on this, and it's going to take us to the next step that can go and that we can go and post our ad from here. You can see right here it's going to ask us for a postcode. So for a postcode, we can just go and input anyone from here. So you're going to select any location. So instead of entering any postcode from here, you can just go and click on this. Unsure what your postcode is, just click on this. Click on select your location instead. So click on this. It's going to give you a lot of options that you can go and select a postal code from here. Very easy. You can go and select any of these different places from here. You can go and select, for example, England, Scotland, Wales, or Northern Ireland, and you can just go and post your ad on those different places. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm just going to select England. I'm just going to select a town from here. So I'm just going to choose one from here. So let me look, for example, London. So I'm going to click on London. And that's guys, I'm just going to choose, for example, Central London. And that's guys, you can go and choose any other location from this section right here, and it's going to be posted in United Kingdom. I can go and get a lot of free traffic from here. So just choose anyone from here. Let me choose this one. And that's guys, you're going to click on continue. It's going to take you to the next step that you can go and post your ad on this website very easy. So that's how easy it is for you to go and post an ad on this website very fast. All you're going to do is you're going to input the title of your ad from here. You're going to upload the image from here. You can go and upload the image of this offer right here, Meticore. I can also go and look, for example, before and after weight loss images and upload it on that ad, because people that are interested in losing weight are going to be interested in that before and after weight loss image, because they're looking for a way that can help them to lose weight. And we're going to be selling this supplement that can help them to lose weight, and we're going to be making money as well in return. So you're going to upload your images from here. You're going to write a simple headline, and next you're going to input a description from here with a link back to your affiliate offer. So I'm going to show you how to go and do this very easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right here. So you're going to input ad title. So let me show you guys a sample ad that I already wrote. So it's a sample ad that I already wrote. I'm just going to copy this right here, and that's going to be my ad title. And that's guys, I'm just going to upload an image from here of Meticore. And next you can go and input a YouTube video as well from here if you want to go and include a YouTube video. And this is my sample description from here. Let me just copy this. And that's guys, I'm just going to input it right here. And that's going to be my sample description about my affiliate offer. And I'm going to input my link from here. But you can see from here, if you want to go and include, for example, website link option, they're going to pay you, they're going to charge you £2.8 to go and post a link back to your affiliate offer from here. I'm going to show you a simple trick to go and post your affiliate link inside here without actually paying any money at all. So let me show you guys how to go and do that very easily. So this is going to be a call to action, for example. So let me just give a space right here. You're going to paste your link right here. So let me just go back to Digistore24. We're going to go back and click on promote. Once you click on promote from here, you're going to get your link. So let me just get this link right here for this example. I'm going to go, for example, to tiny URL or bit.ly. I'm going to paste your link right here. Click on make tiny URL. And that's guys, you're going to copy the shortened URL. So click on copy. You're going to go back right here, and you're going to paste that link. So if this is going to show up as a link, it's going to get removed from this website. So they want you to go and pay before posting an ad with a link from here. But if you don't want to go and pay any money at all, you're going to make some spaces from here, so that it's not going to go and look like a link. And that's guys, you can go and post on this website for free. So pay close attention right here. So from here, I'm just going to write, for example, so let me show you guys right here. So instead of this link, I'm just going to remove this. You're going to remove this HTTPS. You're going to remove this HTTPS right here. And next you're going to input some space. You're going to input space right here, and also input a space at this slash right here. And that's guys, you're going to write in brackets, for example, remove links, for example, remove spaces, remove spaces. And that's guys, you're going to be able to go and post a link right here on this website without actually paying any money at all. So people are going to come to this ad. Once I've read the entire ad, they're going to see right here, this is a link. And they're going to see that you have hinted them that they have to go and remove their spaces before they can go to the link, and they just have to go and remove the spaces from here, and they're going to join the link, and they can go back to your affiliate offer. I can go and post your ad without actually paying any money at all on this particular website. So for the price from here, you can go, for example, the sales page. I can go and input any price from here. You can go and input, for example, so you can go and input, for example, $39 right here for as the price from here. You can go and input any price from here. I'm just going to input, for example, right here. I'm just input, for example, $39. And that's guys, you're not going to include this option because you're going to go and pay if you're going to include this option. So just uncheck this. And that's guys, you're going to be able to go and post your ad on this website without actually paying any money at all. So that's guys, you're going to post your ad on this website for 100% free without paying any money. So if you select any of these options from here, you're going to pay to post your ad. So you just leave all these options blank. And that's guys, by the end, you're going to see that your price is going to be 0. You can see right here, yeah, total is going to be free. So it's going to be 100% free for you to go and post an ad on this website. And you don't have to go and pay any money, because if you select any of these options like this one right here, select this, you're going to see that my price is going to increase right here. So if you select any price from here, your price is going to go and increase. But if you go and leave all of this right here as blank, you are not going to pay any money at all. So make sure to go and deselect all of this. So your ad is going to post it on this website for free, as many people are posting already and they're getting free traffic and they're already making money from this simple method right here. Once you're done, you're just going to click on post at the end, and that's guys, your ad is going to be posted and you can start getting some free traffic and start making some money from this website right here. So many people are already taking advantage of this free traffic source right here, and they're promoting that different Digistore24 affiliate offers. You can go and do this as well and post a lot of ads on this website for free and actually start making some money very fast. As I've shown you guys, it's a huge traffic source that many people are using already to go and get a lot of free traffic and actually make a lot of money for free. So I recommend that once you make money with this method from here, you can go and take that money and reinvest it back on paid ads. For example, you can go and pay to post an ad on this website, and you can go and pay, for example, Bing ads or YouTube ads, and it's going to help you to go and make a lot more money faster and consistently on Digistore24. So that's guys, consider here my ad is always posted on this website for 100% free. And if you select any of these options from here, you're going to pay. So you don't have to go and click on any of these from here. All you can do from here is you just go and click on post another ad, and that's guys, you're going to have an option to go and post another ads from here. If you click on manage my ads, you can go and see your different ads on this particular website right here. And that's guys, you can go and do this every single day and post a lot of ads and make a lot of money from gumtree.com. So that's guys, if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the Smart Online Paid YouTube channel. And you're going to see in the front end I post new methods that can help you guys start making some extra money online for 100% free. So that's guys, share this video and take action on this method. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.